Thank you and welcome to the special workshop on the effective malaria management approach, LLINS, the best bet. In this workshop, we are going to look at campaign strategy we are going to use in order to eliminate malaria from our environment. I invite us to sit back and let's enjoy this presentation. As dangerous as malaria is, it can be effectively managed through integrated vector management. Malaria can only infect man if transmitted by mosquito vector. Without mosquito in the environment, there's no way malaria can be transmitted. Vector control strategy could be promoted to all the citizens in Nigeria. That is to say, whatever approach that can be used to control mosquito vector, if reach out to all the citizens in the country, would be the safest bet to control malaria. Think One Nigeria used mosquito nets as an entry point in creating a culture of malaria control by developing routine LLIN distribution channels through antenatal care services and schools to ensure the continuous flow of nets into communities following universal coverage campaign, enhancing community values of and demand for long-lasting insecticide nets through both public and private sector. Think Point's Nigeria intervention objective. Two basic objectives is what Think Point Nigeria use in enhancing the reach of long-lasting insecticidal nets to the population. First, we create a culture of sleeping under long-lasting insecticide net every night. By these, we enhance value attached to mosquito nets. We also create sustainable demand for nets in private sectors beyond the free distribution. Second, to promote other malaria vector keys behaviors. That is, seeking treatment within 24 hours of fever onset, testing before treatment, and adhering to the test results, and also adhering to the prescribed treatment. There are multi-channels intervention targeted on ecosystem of behaviors using mass media, for instance radio. We enhance interpersonal communication through community dialogues, also engage local government leadership, creating an enabling environment, and also social mobilization through schools, point scales, material, that's drug shops, pharmacies, and chemist shops. We also have antenatal care mobilization at health facilities. The key element for this intervention is being dissected into two. The first one we call push. That is, the campaign address key motivators. That is to say that you have a good night's sleep when you stay under long-lasting insecticidal nets. You wake up energized. You'll be more productive if you sleep under long-lasting insecticidal nets and have your treatment when fever onset. And also, it is a way of life. The use of LLINS is a way of life. On the pool aspect, we support provided to private sector's development. We train and mentor drug shop owners on how to leverage on the long-lasting insecticidal net campaign. We also promote participating private outlets as a major source of quality mosquito nets. We are really grateful for the support we gain from management and staff of Think One Nigeria, the Akwa State Ministry of Health, and also Vector Link Nigeria for supporting our campaign so far in this part of the world. Thank you so much for being part of this workshop.